A day in our life as a financial management student.
Interest rates are like a lever influencing both inflation and economic growth. Higher interest rates reduce inflation. By making borrowing more expensive, people spend and invest less, potentially slowing down the economy and curbing inflation. Next is lower interest rates. Higher inflation risk. However, if not managed carefully, this increased spending can lead to higher inflation if demand outpaces supply. ESP walks a tightrope, adjusting interest rates to achieve a balance between controlling inflation and promoting sustainable economic growth.
The BSP wields interest rates like a steering wheel to control the money supply and influence economic activity. Higher rates discourage borrowing and encourage saving, potentially slowing economic growth and taming inflation. Think hitting the brakes. By adjusting interest rates, the BSP can steer the Philippine economy towards price stability and sustainable growth.
The BSP uses open market operations like a faucet to control the flow of money in the economy. Buying government securities acts like opening the faucet, injecting cash into the system. This increases the money supply, potentially leading to lower interest rates and stimulating borrowing and spending. Selling government securities acts like closing the faucet, draining cash from the system. This decreases the money supply, potentially leading to a higher interest rates and discouraging borrowing and spending. By buying or selling securities, the BSP can influence the amount of money circulating in the economy, impacting economy activity.
The specific way operations are conducted in the Philippines can vary depending on the type of operation being carried out. However, there is general trends that can be observed. Business operations. Businesses in the Philippines operate in a similar way to businesses in other countries. However, there are some unique challenges that businesses in the Philippines face, such as corruption and bureaucracy.
Reserve requirements are regulations set by a central bank that require commercial banks to hold a specific portion of their deposits as reserves. These reserves can be held in cash at the bank or deposited with the central bank. The central bank uses reserve requirements as a tool to influence the money supply and interest rates in the company.
Changes in reserve requirements can significantly impact banks and their lending practices. Higher reserve requirements. When the central bank increases the reserve requirements, banks are forced to hold onto more of their deposits as reserves, limiting the funds available for lending. This can lead to reduced loan availability. Banks may become more selective in approving loans or even restrict lending altogether. Higher interest rates. With fewer funds available, banks may raise interest rates to make lending more profitable. Lower reserve requirements. Conversely, lowering reserve requirements allows banks to hold less of their deposits as reserves, freeing up more money for lending.